Alright guys, so I'm about to test ride Theo's 2000 and, what is it? 2006 Harley Dyna low, and he's always wanted me to ride it, and I've just never, like, it's not that I didn't want to, I was just kind of scared. But I'm gonna do it today, so we'll see how it goes, and he's gonna ride my 1000. So let's do it. Oh my god. Is it on? No, like the... Oh, that's the start switch? Dude, this thing is heavy. Oh my god. What is this? Oh my gosh. I'm on Theo's bike right now. Oh my god. God, dude. I'm about to do a wheelie. Dude, this thing is crazy. I feel like I could sit up forward and be a lot more comfortable, you know what I mean? Instead of like sitting back. God, the engine braking is insane. Golly. Oh yeah, yeah, it feels like a Grom. Like, it literally feels like a Grom. Dude, the rumble just pulling in the clutch, it's just like...
But you see what I mean? Like, it higher than sport bike,
God, this is so weird. Oh, okay, I did it. You know what's weird though? Is like riding this bike, I want to wheelie it.
Really?
Yeah, like I just feel like it. Here, you can goose mine if you want. Dude, this bike just like rides for you. Yeah, guys, so this is my first time on any cruiser at all, like ever. Oh my god. Dude, I love like the Pro Taper feel being up so high. It's like awesome, dude. It's so cool. This is a workout. Here, I'm gonna like come up here, like come around. Yeah, dude. There you go. What'd you hit? Like 60? I don't even know. So Theo's on my bike right now, and I'm on his. If you couldn't already notice that. God. That was 70 right there. Alright, you ready, boy? Alright, here's Theo about to take off on the 1K. Oh, dude! Oh my god! I'll let you go first. Dude, this is so comfortable. But like, it's an arm workout, but wow, dude, I could definitely get used to like this feeling. Oh, oh man. Wow, dude. I'm actually like kind of surprised. Am I in neutral? Nope, that's second.
Yeah.
Oh. Dude, that... Oh. Thank you. I needed that, man. I was always so like scared to do that. Dude, that was awesome. Oh man.